Today's lesson, we are going to be working on 3-syllable words that have open, closed, and vowel consonant each syllables. So that narrows it down quite a bit for you. You don't have any of the other syllable types. You just have to worry about those 3-syllable types. So, do you have your paper and pencil ready? Pause the video and go get them if you don't. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word. We're going to hit the syllables out so that we can hear them clearly, and then we're going to spell syllable by syllable. That way we won't get sounds that are in the third syllable into the first syllable or mix them up some other way. Spelling syllable by syllable really helps us to spell words correctly. So let's get started. Our first word is educate. Educate. Ed, you, Kate. Okay, let's scoop it. Ed, you, Kate. Ed, E-D, you, Kate, C-A-T-E. Now this word is tricky because when you say it, educate, you kind of put a J sound in there, educate. There's no J in the word. It's just E-D-U-C-A-T-E, educate. Next word, electron. Electron. Science word for you. E-lec-tron. Okay, let's scoop it. Lec, L-E-C, tron, T-R-O-N, electron. Third word, represent. Represent. Rep, re-zent. Okay, let's scoop it. Rep, R-E-P, R-E, zent. Now you hear that Z sound sort of, but it's spelled with an S again, S-E-N-T. Remember that S can make the Z sound sometimes. Represent. Colonist. Colonist. Remember when studying the 13 original colonies, the people that lived there were called colonists. But the word is colonist, singular. Col-on-ist. Col-on-ist. Col, C-O-L, on, O-N, ist, I-S-T. I just realized that some people might say colonist, and they would have the middle syllable be open and the nist all together at the end. So it would be col, C-O-L, O, nist, N-I-S-T. Either way, you're going to spell it correctly. Next word, utensil. Utensil. U-ten-sil. Go ahead and scoop it. U, ten, T-E-N, sil, S-I-L, utensil. Adhesive, adhesive, add, he, sieve. Let's scoop it. Add, A-D, he, H-E, sieve, S-I-V-E. Remembering that iv is spelled I-V-E. Replenish, replenish, re-plen-ish. R-E, plen, P-L-E-N, ish, I-S-H. Absolute, absolute. Ab-so-lute. Ab, A-B, so, S-O, lute, L-U-T-E. Remember that oo sound for the U makes it a longer type sound. So it has to have that E on the end. Invasive, invasive. In-va-sive. In, I-N, va, V-A, sieve, S-I-V-E. Balcony, balcony. Bal-con-e. Bal, B-A-L, con, C-O-N, E. Now the E is a little tricky here. What would happen if you put an E on the end of balcony? It would look like balcone. So you have to use a Y for making that long E sound. Most of the time in a 2 or 3 syllable word, if you hear a whole syllable that says E, it's spelled with a Y. Balcony. Very good. How did you do on those words? We have our 2 sight words left. And our 2 sight words, the first one is does. I do, he does. Does is spelled very much like do. That's how you can remember do and does. Okay, go ahead and spell does. Okay, did you spell it D-O for like do? D-O-E-E. E-S is does. Go ahead and work on that if you had trouble with that one. Our next word is laugh. Laugh. Laugh is pretty tricky. It's L-A-U-G-H. L-A-U-G-H. Work on that one too if you got it wrong. That's all for today. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.